First of all, what is nuclear physics? First of all, we have to know what is nuclear physics. Here, nuclear physics is the study of structure of nucleus and study of atom. Total, it describes about the atom and nucleus. Describes about the nuclear physics. It describes about the nucleus and atom. First of all, nuclear physics was discovered on Rutherford was the father of nuclear physics. He is the father of nuclear physics. He is a Britishian. First of all, before that we have to know about atom. First, what is atom? What is atom? Atom is a smallest particle. Atom is a smallest particle. We cannot divisible or cuttable. It is atom has a two layers. That is, first one, nucleus. This is atom. In nucleus, protons, neutrons are present. In an atom, electrons are present. Electrons are revolving around the nucleus like shells. First, what is atom? Atom is a smallest particle. In an atom, there is a nucleus. The central part of the atom is known as nucleus. The central part of the nucleus is known as the central part of the atom is known as nucleus. The sum of the protons and sum of the neutrons is known as nucleons. The sum of the protons and sum of the neutrons is known as nucleons. But here electrons are revolving around the nucleus. As long as electrons are revolving around the nucleus, they neither lose energy nor gain energy. Here, protons have positive charge. Neutrons have neutral charge. That means 0. Here positive charge means P. Electrons have negative charge. Here, the charge of the proton is 1.6 into 10 to the power of minus 19 coulomb. That is P positive. Next, electrons. Here, electrons have no charge. Here, neutrons have 1.6 into 10 to the power of minus 19 coulombs. But here, protons discovered Goldstein. Electrons discovered J.J. Thomson. Neutrons discovered James Chadwick. Here protons have the 1.6 into 10 to the power of minus 19 coulomb. Electrons have no charge, but the electrons have the mass. Electrons have here protons have 1.6 into 10 to the power of minus coulomb. Electrons have no charge. Neutrons have electrons have 1.6 into 10 to the power of minus 19. Neutrons have no charge. But here protons and neutrons have mass because protons and neutrons have the mass because of here nucleus. In nucleus, protons and neutrons are present because of they have the mass. Electrons have no mass. Here, no mass. Outside of the nucleus, they have no mass here. No mass because it is empty space. Rutherford consider as long as electrons are revolving around the nucleus, as long as electrons are revolving around the nucleus, here electrons they neither lose energy nor gain energy. Here what happened? Protons and neutrons are having the mass. So here nucleus have the positive charge because of nucleus have the nucleus are having protons. In nucleus protons are having, so protons have the positive charge particles. Electrons have no charge, so they have electrons are revolving around the nucleus in a circular motion. How the planets are revolving around the sun, as like these electrons are also moving here electrons also revolving around the nucleus in a circular motion. Next, here nucleus have the some basic properties. Nucleus have some basic properties. First one, nuclear mass. Second one, nuclear charge. Third one, nuclear density. Fourth one, nuclear size. Fifth one, nuclear magnetic moment. Sixth one, nuclear spin. Seventh one, nuclear electric waterfall movement. Here what happened in nuclear mass, because nucleus have the mass, because here some of the protons and some of the neutrons are present. Here what happened? Nucleus have the mass because nucleus have the mass. Because nucleus have the mass is nucleus. Some of the protons and some of the neutrons are present in nucleus. So it is having the mass because electrons have the no mass. So electrons have no mass. Electrons have no mass.